Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today this is going to be a review of the Liberty Air 2 true wireless earbuds. Now the price, as I'm recording this video, last I checked, is $59.99. This is a limited deal, and they come in the black and the white. Now, as far as the features, there's a lot of features. So let me just get through them. You got stereo mono mode. You have CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. That's for cutting out the background noise when you're on a phone call. They have diamond inspired drivers. And basically what that means, well, I reached out to Soundcore and they said that the drivers of the earbuds are made out of diamond-like carbon. So when they say that they're diamond inspired, what that means is their ultra hard structure of diamonds, and the domes maintain their rigidity even when vibrating at high frequencies. So that's basically what they mean by diamond inspired. You also get 28 hours of total battery life. These also are supported by the Soundcore app. You get full touch controls, and I'll go more in depth in that in the controls. You also have an auto pairing feature, which means when you open the lid on the charging case, the buds will automatically compare to the last device you use. Got multiple accessories. You got Bluetooth 5.0, and they support SBC on iOS and AAC and Qualcomm aptX on Android. And you have an IPX5 dust and water resistant. These also have an auto pause feature, and they have in-ear detection because they have optical image sensors on the where the tips, silicone tips are. So now we talked about that, let me do a little mini unboxing here. Now I didn't get these directly from Amazon because at the time that I was going to buy them, they were at their standard price, which was $79.99. I got these from an eBay seller, and when it was all said and done, I think I paid like $64. So when you first get the earbuds, they're going to come in like that. I've been testing them all day today, so I just put them back in here. They're on right now, so I'm going to put them in the case right now. I'm just going to show you what's inside the box. Get in there. Okay. Now, buds in the case will be in here. You pull this out, and this is where the accessories are going to be. And why is this so? Okay, I'm about to say it's hard to take out. All right, now, Soundcore is made by Anker, and Anker is known for their charging cables. And this is the charging cable, USB-A to USB Type-C. It's even packaged with, just like you get like the Powerline 2 or Powerline 3. Wonderful cable. So you're gonna really sturdy, really well built, durable plastic. Put that to the side. You get a quick start guide right here. No user manual, but the quick start guide shows you everything you need to know as far as how to pair the buds, battery life, how to turn them on, turn them off. And here are the silicone tips that come with them. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on them. So you get 5 silicone tip sets all together. And that's pretty much it on the unboxing. Now let's move over to the fit and the design. Now, as you see on the box, these are a stem style design. These got a really funky shape to them. I like the colors. I like the orange accents around the silicone tips. I like the silver along the face of the bud. These are the optical sensors. And I'm gonna take these tips off, and I'm gonna show you the nozzle inside. You see that right there? That's tight. All you need is like a little old toothbrush, just clean that off and you're good. And see, you got the charging pins on the bottom of the stem, and you also got a mic. You got the LED indicator right here up top, and you got the Soundcore branding, and that is the multifunction button. And the fit feels great. Soundcore was looking at spin fits, and they was like, you know what, we're going to end your whole career because we're just going to put like all the tips in the box. And you get, let me see, that's say small, or maybe extra small, small, medium, and large. And these came on the buds by default. Now the case is dope. Looks like a robin egg. It's got like a textured feel to it. It's not a fingerprint magnet. The lid is not that sturdy, but that's fine. Very clean, very compact. Got the USB Type-C charging on the back, and you got the reset button or the pairing button on the bottom. And that's good because all you gotta do is just press that and see how much battery life you got on the buds. So now that we talked about the fit and design, I'm gonna give you a call quality sample in a quiet environment right now. The call quality test of the Liberty Air 2 mics in a quiet environment. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Okay, now we're going to talk about the controls. Now I got the Soundcore app booted up on my Pixel 4a Pixel game. As you can see right here, shows you a picture of the left and the right earbuds, and in the bottom left and right hand corners you got the equalizer and you got the controls. You click on that and the app gives you a single tap, a double tap, and a long press. Now with these you can customize them, but remember, if you use these in mono mode, whatever commands you got, they're going to set to default. All of these can be customized. These can be changed. These are basically, this is what I have it set up as. I got single tap as volume down on the the left, volume up on the right. Double tap on the right is pause and play, and double tap on the left is previous. And then a long press on the left is next track. And then I have a long press on the right earbud is the voice assistant. Now Soundcore would give me a triple tap, that would be nice. But you have to turn on the auto pause feature. You can turn that on. And another cool thing about these earbuds that they support is called Hear ID. So basically what that is, you go into the ear doctor, and they have you put them headphones on, and you have like they play those different beeps and burps and bloops and stuff to see how good your hearing is. Well, this app does the same thing, and it'll basically personalize the sound of the earbuds to how you hear. So up top you can see you got left ear, right ear, and you can play music to hear the difference, and you can retest it as many times as you want just to get that perfect sound, just to equalize the buds to be tuned to your hearing. Now, the battery life. Battery life is 7 hours on a single charge, and you get 21 additional hours with the case. So altogether, that's 28 total hours of playtime. These also support quick charge. 10 minutes inside the case will get you 2 hours of playtime. The earbuds will charge in 90 minutes, and the case will charge in 2 hours. And you can also check this out. These support wireless charging. So I got my Anker charging pad over here to the right, and I'm trying to get it. It works, but it's really finicky. It's kind of weird. This is an Anker charger, and these are Anker buds, but for some reason you would think they would just go like that. And it was working before I started filming, and now it doesn't want to work right. But yes, these support wireless charging. You have to lay them down flat like this. They're not going to work sitting up. I tried that. It did not work. Yep. Little blue light just went off. Forget it. Now, the sound quality. Oh my God. Okay, I mentioned earlier about the drivers being like coated in a diamond like substance like carbon. It's really hard. They're really good. Like, the sound quality is amazing. But the bass is deep and punchy. It's very dynamic. I tested the song Angel by Massive Attack and Age of Consent by New Order. That bass is just, it's so good. And the mid-range, I like more of a neutral mids. I like to be able to hear the sound of the singer, but I tested a song, Baby Plays Around by Anne Sophie Van Otter. if you listen very carefully, you can hear when she's breathing, because when you sing, you have to learn how to control your breathing. And when that woman was singing and I'm listening to her, and you got Elvis Costello playing guitar in the background, you can hear like when she makes those noises, the way she moves her mouth, like you can hear that. I was like, whoa. And I had them in like 85% battery. I mean, not battery, but volume. And I could hear like those little tiny little details. Now the treble is very refined. It's not coarse. It's very consistent. The song I tested to test out the treble or the range of the treble is Humming by Portishead. Very good treble. Now I said before in previous videos that I hear like this bacon sizzling. No, actually what it's called is scratching. And you can hear that, like it's not fatiguing, but it's there. You can notice it. And like these got like some good CD quality sound. They're amazing. Soundcore coming for the bag, man. I love these earbuds. They're really good at recreating the music the way it's supposed to be sounded, like if you're a mixer or a producer. So comparison wise, if I had to compare these, it's kind of hard. I mean, it's some really good sound. I mean, the Soundpeaks T2, those are good and they have great bass, but you really can't EQ them because you don't have an app like you do with Soundcore. So the only thing I could compare them to would be another like earbud that has app support, like maybe Edifier or some Sony Buds. I mean, these stand in a class all their own. So in conclusion, if you want some Soundcore earbuds and you don't want to spend $200 on the Sony XM4s, and you just want some buds with some really great features for less, you should get these. I don't know how long this $59.99 deal is going to last on Amazon, but you should act now because these are amazing. I mean, there are the Sound Liberty, they're the big brother, the Sound Liberty Air 2 Pro, and what you know, I got those. Now, as far as the Liberty Air 2 Pro, I got those. They're right here. Review is coming soon. So yes, these are the big brother, these are the little brother, and then I guess what is the Soundcore Life P3, they fit, I guess they're the middle child. So but the Liberty Air 2 Pro, I mean, oof, man, I'm speechless because they're just so good. I mean, they're really great earbuds. So that's it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching.